In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into Hubspot using their platform interface. If you're looking to enhance your CRM management and streamline your contact import process, you've come to the right place. Let's start by navigating to the trial guide in your Hubspot account. You can find this by logging in and looking for the Sales Hub Professional section. This is your launching pad for accessing all the tools that HubSpot offers within their trial environment. Once you're in the Sales Hub, the next step is to click on CRM. HubSpot's CRM platform is intuitive, offering a wealth of options to help manage your business processes. By clicking on the CRM, you're opening the gateway to a suite of functionalities that can bring efficiency to your workflows. After accessing the CRM, direct your attention to the Contacts tab. This is where you can view and manage all your contact data. Whether you're importing new contacts or managing existing ones, this tab is central to keeping everything organized and accessible. Now, to begin the import, you'll want to click on the Import button within the Contacts section. Importing contacts is an essential, albeit straightforward process, if you follow along step by step. The import feature allows you to bring your existing contacts from various sources into HubSpot without much hassle. After clicking on Import, select the option to import a file. This is often the go-to choice if your contact data is stored in CSV files or similar formats. Take a moment to locate your file and remember that HubSpot supports a variety of file types to suit your needs. Be sure to double-check the formatting of your file to ensure everything aligns with HubSpot's guidelines, which can save you a lot of time and effort during the import process. Alternatively, if your contact information is housed in other applications, the Sync from Apps option can be incredibly handy. This feature is particularly beneficial for maintaining data integrity across platforms you use regularly. By syncing directly, HubSpot helps you avoid inconsistencies and duplicates, providing a seamless integration with your existing systems. Lastly, consider using the Migrate Your Data feature. This is perfect for businesses transitioning to HubSpot from another CRM tool. It's designed to make the migration process as smooth and efficient as possible, reducing downtime and boosting productivity as you switch systems. By following these steps, you can easily and effectively manage your contacts within HubSpot's ecosystem, unlocking new potential for your business. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful and feel empowered to manage your contacts with ease. Don't forget to explore other features that HubSpot has to offer and optimize your CRM usage for even greater business success. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.